welcome you all once again to this online session. Exams are coming, you all must be busy preparing for it, right? So we will do a small revision of the chapters that are included for your science paper. This will be of great help to you. Okay, let's see the questions here. First, it's fill in the blanks. The first question is in the form of food chain. So what comes in the dash given there? Dash are eaten by fishes, which are again eaten by humans. The options given are trees, water plants, rats, snakes. So the option should be water plants, because food chain always begins from producers. You can tell me, Miss, trees are also given, but here we'll go for water plants because fishes live in water. Next question. Tires are made from what? Rubber, timber, teak, cotton. You must have seen the tires in the vehicles like scooters, cars, buses and all, no? They are all made from rubber. So option A, rubber. Okay, now next question. Which among these birds cannot fly? There are four options: kiwi, parrots, hummingbird, all of these. So the option is kiwi. Okay, now next question. Which among these materials do we get from animals? There are four options given: leather, cotton, jute, linen. Cotton we get from cotton plants, jute also we get from plants, right? So leather is obtained from the skin of animals. So option A, leather. Okay, now next question. It's true or false? Frog has a long and sticky tongue. Is it true or false? You must have seen the frogs, no? Even in your book, the picture of a frog is given with its tongue out. It has got a long and sticky tongue, so that insect goes and sits on the frog's tongue. It's so sticky. It catches its prey with the help of its long and sticky tongue. Right? So option is true. Second, we get kerosene from clay. Do we get kerosene from clay? No. It's a petroleum product, right? So it is a false statement. Next question. All birds have same shape and color. Is it so? You must have seen a parrot. What is the color of a parrot? Green, right? Crow, which is black in color, right? A pigeon, you have white color pigeon, right? So there are different colors of birds and shapes are also different. So all birds have same shape and color is a false statement. Okay, now identify the given figures. Given figures, that means in the exam you will be given a set of figures, and under each figure you will have some options. You have to choose the correct option. So here it's the picture of a woodpecker. What are the options given? It's about their beak. What type of beak is seen in a woodpecker? Does it have a broad flat beak, strong sharp hooked beak, long pointed beak, or sharp pointed beak? It has got a sharp pointed beak. Option D. Okay, now see, can you see what is given here? Look at the picture given there. It's a what? Yes, woolen cap. So it's made from wool. Look at the option. This cap is made from wood, made from wool, made from paper, made from plastic. Yes, it's a woolen cap, no? So it's made from wool. Option B. Okay, now it's answered in one sentence. See now, the exam is going to be very easy for you. You need not get scared about writing the answers. Now, online exam, so you'll be given options in the form of sentences. You have to choose the correct sentence that would suit the question given there, right? Which among these feathers gives a bird its shape? A bird gets its shape from which kind of feathers? You have learned, no? Flight feathers, down feathers and all. So let's see the option. Flight feathers gives a bird its shape. Down feathers gives a bird its shape. Body feathers gives a bird its shape. Flying feathers gives a bird its shape. So it is body feathers. Option C. Okay. Now, next question. Which among the following animal uses its teeth to tear its food? A mosquito uses its teeth to tear its food. Is it so? A fox uses its teeth to tear its food. Think. A snake uses its teeth to tear its food. A butterfly uses its teeth to tear its food. While taking the lesson, pictures of these animals were shown. How do they catch their prey? I mean the food. So it is option B. A fox uses its teeth to tear its food. Okay, now next question. Name the following. An animal that has a long, sharp and pointed front teeth. Options given are cow, tiger, camel, horse. Sharp and pointed front teeth. So that is possessed by a tiger. Option B, tiger. Okay. Next question. Material used to make nylon clothes. What do we use to make nylon clothes? Plastic, metals, wood, cotton? No. With wood and all we cannot make clothes. Metals, you have that shields and all made out of metals. So material used to make nylon clothes. So it should be A, plastic. Okay, now see, humans cannot fly. There are 4 options given. You have to choose the correct option. Humans cannot fly because human body has skin that are heavy and human body do not have wings. Human body has bones that are light and human body do not have hands. Human body has bones that are heavy and human body do not have wings. Human body has legs that are light and human body do not have an aeroplane. So we can see the birds flying, right? Human body does not have an aeroplane. So what should be the option? Human body has bones that are heavy and human body do not have wings. That is option C. Okay, now next question. Explain the term omnivores. So you have learnt about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores, from the words itself you can make out. Herb means what? Plants. So plant eating animals are called herbivores. Carnivores are animals eating other animals like your tigers, lions and all. So omnivores must be what? Animals that eat both plants as well as other animals. So what are the options given here? Animals that eat only plants are called omnivores. I told you just now, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat only animals are called omnivores? No. Animals that eat only the animals like this tiger, lion and all, they eat other animals. So they are carnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Yes, that should be. Let's look at the last option also. Animals that eat non-living things are called omnivores. Can anybody eat non-living things? It does not get digested properly. No. So if you want good health and all, you have to eat plants. Plants are also living things. So you must have learnt in your lower classes about non-vegetarians eating both plants as well as animals, right? So here it is the term omnivores. We human beings are also omnivores. So here animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. That is your option C. Okay. So with this we are coming to an end of today's session. All the best my dear children. Do well. Do not get scared. You will be given options for all the questions and you have to select the correct option for the given question. Okay. See you soon. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.